Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to share a note in Instagram. Let's get started. To begin, open up your Instagram app and then go to your direct messages by clicking at the paper airplane icon at the top right corner of your screen. And then above your profile icon, you'll see a cloud bubble with note written in it, and then just click that. Enter your text and then choose the audience that you want to share it with. You may share it with followers you follow back or with your close friends. Click done and then click share. And that's it. You successfully shared a note on Instagram. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!